This video will cover general programming concepts in data science. By the end of this video, you should understand how you should approach using R and RStudio for data science, and what types of data science tasks should be included in R scripts. The data science workflow breaks down complicated processes into a set of individual tasks. For example, acquiring and loading data, tidying and wrangling your data, generating visualizations, creating and validating models, generating forecasts or predictions, creating reports, summarizing conclusions, and many more. You're going to implement the bulk of these processes in R scripts. In general, your R scripts will have a structure similar to the following. You're going to load all the required packages, then you're going to load some data, you're going to perform some tasks on those data, and then you're going to save some new process data or some results. These results could include graphs, model output, or forecasts. As you may have been able to figure out already, you're going to accomplish these tasks in R scripts using a series of expressions. You'll generally save the results of these expressions to variables using the assignment operator. Eventually, you'll want to save those results to files. We'll cover that in a later section of the course. But each script is going to be a recipe for performing a specific task. And again, we'll treat R as a procedural programming language, so steps are going to be executed in order, one at a time, from start to finish, as they're outlined in your script. Efficiently writing R scripts requires understanding some of the fundamentals of how R deals with data. This section of the course covers some of these fundamentals. For non-programmers, a lot of these concepts are going to seem very abstract. You'll probably want to revisit some of these videos in the future as you become more accustomed to the R environment. What this section of the course is going to focus on is how computers store and process data. Computers aren't like humans. They store and process data in a binary format. So everything that they deal with, numbers, text, images, sound files, they're all converted to a series of 0-1 values that the computer then knows how to process. Data analysis requires understanding how computers deal with these different types of data. So in the next several videos, I'm going to discuss how R and other computerized data processing systems deal with all these different types of data.